Okay, I'm going to show you guys what to do once you've found your articles in the databases that you're researching, what you should do with them, how you should store them, how you should keep them so you can refer back to them later, check your notes, maybe look for more information. So I went right into ProQuest and I did a search. Let me backtrack you a little bit. My theme for Enduring Issues was discrimination. And then for my investigative journalism current event article, I also researched discrimination. But remember, as an enduring issue, we're only focusing on United States. So I have my theme and then United States in quotes because it's more than one word. And because I know it's a current event issue that Muslims are often discriminated against, I put that in as another search term, or you could leave that out and just search discrimination in US and see what comes up. And then I also put down here last 12 months. You can narrow this down differently if you wanted to. I'm going to leave it at 12 months and do a search. And then when the articles come up, you see that they're a little academic, a lot of page numbers. This one's 1327 to 1348. I want shorter newspaper, kind of magazine type articles. So I'm going to scroll down. I think there's a good one over here. Study identifies religious bias against refugees. So this one's just from a targeted news service. So it's a very short article. I can scroll through, see that it has a lot of my keywords in it. If I decide I want to go back to this later, and right now I just want to grab a bunch of resources, I can click Save as a PDF. And when it saves it as a PDF, it'll come up this way. It'll also download. You can download it. When I download my articles, they come up as ProQuest documents. And I find that confusing later for my research. So what I like to do is right click on them and click rename. And I actually put the title of the article in. So I did that over here already. You'll see I already renamed this one. And I actually put the article title in, Study Identifies Religious Bias Against Refugees. That way, when I need to retrieve it later, I can get back to it. Also, what I'm going to want to do is go into my Google Drive. I'm going to create a new folder. And maybe you already have a folder for English class. I would put in investigative journalism. Let me see if I can talk and spell at the same time. Okay, I'm going to create that folder. And then within that folder, I can start uploading, file upload. I'm going to take that file out of my downloads and upload it to my Google Drive. So it was, the first word of it was study. Here it is. Study identifies religious bias against refugees. I'm going to click on it and open it, and it's going to put it into my folder for investigative journalism. So now when I want to do my research, it's in here. Okay. Also, I just want to show you, when you do find articles in here, you should also be citing them. And you want to make sure it's 8th edition. So you're going to scroll down and change that to 8. Whoops, MLA 8. And then I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back into my drive and I'm going to make a new document. And I'm just going to call this one investigative journalism. Let's call it IJ citations. And then in the actual document, I'm going to paste that citation. So now I have in that one folder my article, and then I also have my citation for my article saved in a document, and it's all in that one folder. So when I'm doing my research later on, I can search investigative, and I'll pull everything up. A lot of my documents are here for this project from last year. And when it pulls up investigative journalism, I can open that folder and retrieve my information.